I was telling my husband that we're making these brownie cookies today, and his response was, "Oh no." And that's because he loves them and he wants to eat low carb. Another recipe from my cookbook, zoetdeeg brownie cookies. They are the best. They have this nice, beautiful, crackly top, and they're very fudgy on the inside. Now, to get that crackly top, you need to whisk up your eggs and your sugar for at least 5 minutes on very high speed. So if you don't have a KitchenAid or a stand mixer, I'm not sure you can get the exact same results, but you know, the cookies will be good nonetheless. Also, this recipe is for 10 cookies and the batter is quite fragile, so don't just double the ingredients if you want to make more, but then just first make these 10 and then make another 10, because if you let the batter sit for too long, you won't get that crackly top. We're starting out with actually preheating our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And that's because, like I said, this is a pretty fragile batter. So if you have to wait until your oven has preheated enough and your batter is already done, you can really risk not getting that correctly top. So do that first and then start making your batter. Because the eggs and sugar need to whisk for at least 5 minutes on high speed, we're going to do that first, and in the meantime we'll melt the butter and the chocolate. Whisk up 2 eggs with 125 grams of white sugar and the same amount of light brown sugar. Melt 110 grams of butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate in a double boiler and let it cool off until it's room temperature. After mixing on high speed for 5 minutes, you'll get this thick and glossy mixture that falls into ribbons onto itself. Add your chocolate, whisk again for about 30 seconds or until everything is combined. In a separate bowl, add 125 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 10 grams of baking powder and 1 gram of salt. Whisk together. Add the dry mixture to your chocolate mixture and mix until everything is just combined. Use an ice cream scoop to create portions of your cookie dough. Use just 5 portions on your baking sheet because they will spread out during baking. Lastly, put some flaky sea salt on top. Now bake them for 10 minutes. After baking, let them cool off on your baking sheet for around 5 minutes. After that, transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool off completely. So these are just the best. They have a nice crackly top, like I said before, but a very fudgy inside. And they're just so nice and chocolatey. It's perfect to have with a cup of tea or just in between the day, or as a dessert, maybe serve it up with a scoop of ice cream. You could also put a scoop of ice cream in between and make an ice cream brownie cookie sandwich, I guess, with it. So a lot of options, but go make them because you won't regret it. Bye! Also, if you like this video, then please consider liking and subscribing, and then I'll see you guys next time.